My name is Dr. Sachin Tekade. I am working in Jamkhed, District Ahmednagar. I am working in laparoscopy and coloproctology. I was working in proctology since 10 years, but I was operating. I heard from my friends that Samrat Jankar sir is having good hand and good knowledge in coloproctology. So I have decided to come for the daycare CME. Today's CME in Symbiosis University of Health Sciences. I have learned a lot of things in MRI perspective of clinical judgment and post-operative outcome and intraoperative findings. So today the things I have doing very wrongly, today I have correct lot of things. Dr. Jankar sir has teach a lot things. It will be more fruitful for my future practice. Thank you, sir.